Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine at your home. So, yesterday we started the chapter data handling and we did exercise I can. The knowledge you know, the things you know, you learn in previous class in class 4. So today we will learn about pie charts and you will come to know how pie charts can be read. Fine. So first of all, look at this is warm up. Vinu, do you know that 70% of Earth's surface is made up of water? Only 30% is land. These two students are talking with each other. She said that 70% of the Earth's surface made up of water and 30% is land. So he said that yes, my teacher also told me that out of 10 parts of the earth, 7 parts are water and 3 parts are land. Okay, total part is 10, 7 are water and 3 are land. Fine. So pie charts, how to make pie chart. The information in this picture is tabulated flow below. Sorry, this is when we write the information in this form, then this is called as tabular form. Then when you make pie chart, then it is pie chart. So water, that is out of 10, 7 parts are water and 3 parts are land, and this is pie chart. You just divide the circle into 10 parts and you will color 3 part denotes land and these 7 parts denote water. That is fraction जब बनेगा land part का तो ये बनेगा 3/10 and water का बनेगा 7/10. Fine. So when data is in table, then it is in the tabular form. Fine. Now come to the next page. Circle graph is also called a pie chart. The circle graph shows how Tina spends her monthly pocket money. Fine. So, as you see in this pie chart, this part used for snacks, this is for travel, this is for stationery, and these are saving of a child. So, how to write down in fractional form? First of all, it is written that if Tina gets rupees 200 every month, what fraction of her money does she spend on snacks? So snacks, it is written that 100. So it's 100 upon 200. 100 upon 200 means that is 1/2. So she spends half of her pocket money on snacks. Fine. So travel on stationery. Stationery is 10. That is what you say that it's 10 rupees 10 upon 200 upon on stationery. Then travel is 40, then 40 upon 200, and saving it's 50 upon 200. So total amount is 200. Fine. It is given the pie chart. The amount are given. When you add this amount, you will get 200. So how to write and how to make pie chart? This way. It is given that everything is given in this pie chart. You have to divide and find out the fraction. Fine. Divide by the total number of money. Got it? So here exercise 15 point. So let us take the question number 1 of exercise 15.1. The given circle graph shows Sia's collection of coins from different countries. One pie chart is given. इसमें क्या दिखा रखा है कि डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के सिया के पास जो कॉइन्स है वो दिखा रखे हैं. ठीक है, तो आपको इसके आंसर देने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप इन सबको प्लस करेंगे. 750, 150, 180 एंड 420। जब हम इसको प्लस करेंगे तो आपका आंसर, आप इसको प्लस करें तो आ रहा है 1500। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है कि विच कंट्री आर द मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वाइन कम फ्रॉम, सबसे ज्यादा क्वाइन कहाँ के हैं? तो आप देख सकते हैं इसमें सबसे ज्यादा इंडिया के हैं, तो इंडिया इज द आंसर। आफ्टर दैट व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स आर फ्रॉम चाइना। सो आपको चाइना से निकालने हैं, तो चाइना के 420 इज गिवन 420 and divided by 1500 because total number of coins are 1500 and 420 is of China। तो कैसे काटेंगे आप? 0 से 0 गया, देन आप इसको काटेंगे सबसे पहले 3 से काटेंगे, 3 5 आर 15 0 एंड 3 1 आर 3 इज 14। देन ये कटेगा 2 से, 2 7 आर 14, 2 25, सो 7/25। फाइन, लास्ट, this is the first question. Fine, then come to the second question. The table below show the favorite subject, school subject of 60 students of class 5th। सब्जेक्ट नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, मैथ जो है वो 60 में से 30 बच्चों को पसंद है, 60 में से, इंग्लिश 20 बच्चों को और साइंस 10 बच्चों को। तो आपको ये बताना है कि व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स लाइक इंग्लिश। तो आपको इंग्लिश का निकालना है, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? टोटल नंबर 60 है और इंग्लिश कितनों को पसंद है? 20 को। तो यहाँ आप कट करेंगे, 2 1 आर 2, 2 3 आर 6, सो 1/3। Answer is 1/3. And second one is what fraction of students like English and science? So English and science. So it's 20 plus 10, it is 30. 30 divided by 60, 0 से 0 गया, 3 1 are 3 2. So 1/2. Got it? So it's last three, the third number is left. You will try at your home and do this question in your book only. Thank you. Have a great day.